everyone, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Varandares Kannada YouTube channel. My name is Vidya BK. So today topic is puzzles. Okay? Already ನಾವು ಡೇ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪಜಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಂತ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪಜಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಪಜಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಪಜಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್, ಮಂತ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್, ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್, ಏಜ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಈ ತರ. ಸೊ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ನಾವು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಮರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? 7 different countries F, G, H, I, J, K, L own the cricket cup in different years: 1975, 1978, 1987, 1996, 2007, 2015, 2019. Not necessarily in the same order. See, L own the cup in an even numbered year. Only 2 countries own between L and G. H own 12 years after G. The number of countries before F is same as number of countries after H. The difference between the year in which I and K own is 4 years, and only 3 countries own between I and J. Okay, idu question. So ivaga ನಾವು clues ಅನ್ನು note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what are the clues here? L own the cup in an even number. See, L means always in even number. This is the first clue. Then next one, 2 countries own between G and L. See, 2 countries, not 2 years. Don't confuse with the countries and years. See, after 12 years and then between I and K is 4 years. Okay, countries ಮತ್ತೆ years ಅನ್ನ confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, what is the third clue? H own 12 years after G. So G comes first. So after 12 years, H. Then the number of countries before F. Before F is same as after H. Then the difference between the year in which I and K. So 4 years, not 4 countries. This is 4 years, I and K. The last one is only 3 countries own between I and J. I and J madhye 3 countries. Okay, see, just take the possibilities. 1975, 1975, 1978, 1987, 1996, 2007 and 2015 and 2019. Okay, what is the first clue? L is an even number, please. L, see, L ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, only 2 possibilities. Then between L and G there is a 2 gap. See, 1, 2 gap. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು G ತಗೋಬಹುದು, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ G ತಗೋಬಹುದು. See, G after 12 years, H after 12 years means year gap ಇದೆ, countries gap ಇಲ್ಲ, means places gap ಇಲ್ಲ, year gap ಇದೆ. 12 years ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ see, G and L ಮಧ್ಯೆ 12 year gap. G is 2007 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ H ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? 12 years gap, 2019. See, 2007 minus 2019 is 12 years only. Okay, then 75 and 87. So H may be here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಬಹುದು H. Before F is same as after H. See, after H 0 gap. So before F. So after H ಇದೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. So before F ಕೂಡ 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay na? Then next, year gap between I and K is 4 years. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು I ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ K. Why? Because 2015 and 2019 year gap ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So that's why I and K year gap is 4 years. Then I and J is 3 years. 1, 2, 3. This is J. Okay, this is the right answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ possibility is wrong ಆಯ್ತು, again ಈ possibility is wrong ಆಯ್ತು. So this is correct possibility. Okay na? See, don't confuse with the years gap and countries gap. Countries gap ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ place consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Year gap ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ see years ನ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1975, 1978 ಈ ತರ ನೀವು year ನ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Some questions ನೋಡೋಣ. Which among the following country own in the year of 1987? 1987 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1987 ಅಲ್ಲಿ H. Okay? 1987 H. Option E is the right answer. Then next question, in which among the following year K win the cup? Okay? K ಯಾವ year ಅಲ್ಲಿ win ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So K is nothing but 2019. Okay? Option C is the right answer. Third question, which among the following country own the cup immediately before F? So immediate before F ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Immediate before F. So see, immediate before F ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ or 1996. It's based on options. Options ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So immediate before F. F means L. L year ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 1996 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ L ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. I ಆಗಲ್ಲ, then G ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ the country which own the cup in 2007 ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. The country which own the cup in 1996 because before F L is there. L own the cup in the year of 1996. So option B is the right answer. Okay? Next question. Which among the following country own the cup 23 years after L? See, I told you don't confuse with years and countries. So 23 years after L. So 23 years after L. See, this is L. 23 years after. So 1996 ಗೆ 23 years add ಮಾಡಿ 1996 23. See 9 1 0 2019 is the answer. 2019 is nothing but K. After 23 years means see after 23 years K, the country which won the cup in 1978, the country which won the cup in 2019. Year gap anna consider ಮಾಡಿ. Why? Because 1996. So after 23 year means see 9 11 0 2019. Okay na? K won the cup. The next question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way as per the given arrangement, and hence from the group find which one does not belongs to group. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I told you ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಪದ odd one out ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So H I J K L odd one out. See H 87, H I ಕೂಡ 2015, J 78, K 19, L 1996. So H I J K L. See, this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. This is leap year, and this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. Okay. See, option 1996 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1996 ಅಲ್ಲಿ L. So option E is the right answer. Why? Because leap year. All are not a leap year. Okay na? Then next one. 7 different windows are there. XP, Vista, 95, 3.x, 2.0, ME and 98 were released in a different year. Okay. 1987, 1992, 1995, 1998, 2000, 2001 and 2006. Version XP was released in an odd number year. Version ME was released immediately after 98. See, only 2 versions were released between ME and 3.x. Then Vista was released after ME. The number of versions released between XP is 1 less than the number of versions released after 2.0. At least 2 versions were released between Vista and 95. So version 98 was released 2 versions before XP. See, 2 versions before means gap is always 1. Okay. So just note down the clues note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 different companies. Okay. See, XP was released odd numbered year. XP odd numbered year. Then see, 98 was released 2 versions before XP. XP and 98 2 before means 1 gap. Then next one, only 2 versions were released between ME and 3.x. So ME and 3.x. Then Vista was released after ME. Vista released after ME, not immediately, just after ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So before XP is 1 less than as compared to 2.0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ XP 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Then at least 2 versions were released between Vista and 95. Vista ಮತ್ತೆ 95 ಮತ್ತೆ at least 2 means 2 or more than. Okay, just take possibilities. Years ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 87, 92, 95, 98. 87, 92, 95, 98, 2000, then 2001, 6. 2001 and 2006. Take the possibilities, substitute the clues. Okay, 1987. See, XP and odd year. See, clue ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ XP odd ಅಂದ್ರೆ XP ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, then XP ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, then in the year of 2001. Okay, see, there is a 1 gap. See, observe the sentence. The version 98 was released 2 version before XP. 2 version before XP means andre XP ಮುಂಚೆ 98 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, gap 1. Before 2 means gap 1. Before 3 means gap 2. 1 less than that of a given number. Already ನಾನು ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. See, after 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, after 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, XP ಮುಂಚೆ 98 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. XP ಮುಂಚೆ 98 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಣ, ದೆನ್ XP ಮುಂಚೆ 98 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ XP 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2.0. ಸೊ XP ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 members. So after 2.0, 3 members, 1, 2, 3. Okay, before XP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are. So after 6 ಬೇಕು, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2.0. Then next clue, there is gap between ME and 3.x is 2. Okay, 3.x and ME. Okay na? See, before ME, after Vista. So ME first ಬರಬೇಕು, then Vista. Then there should be gap at least 2 means 2 more than 2. So Vista and 95, 1, 2, 3. So at least 2 means more than 2. This is the right answer. Okay. Next sub questions. How many versions were released between 3.x and Vista? 3.x and Vista. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಆಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ME. ಆಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ME. ME ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ, 2 ರಾಂಗ್, ನನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 98. ಬಿಫೋರ್ 98 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಫೋರ್ 98. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 98 1, 2, 3, only 3 are there, but here before ME 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the right answer. Then next one, version Vista was released in which of the following year? Vista 2006. So option D is the right answer. Then how many versions were released before version 98? See, how many versions were released before 98? So 98 ಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 98 ಮುಂಚೆ. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ see, option D is the right answer. And the next one, four of the following are alike in a certain way and hence from a group. Which is does not belong to the group? Means just pick odd one out. See, version Vista 98 2.0 MX 3X. See, Vista 2006, ME 2000, and then 3.X 92, 2.0 87, and 95 95. See, 2.0 87 95 95. Then ME in the year of 2000, Vista, this is also even, this is also even. Vista 98 2.0 MX 3X. So Vista in the year of 2006 and ME is 2000. So Vista 2006, ME is 2000. Then 3X is 92 is 87. 92 87. 98 is in the year of 98 itself. This is also even, this is also even, this is also even, this is also even. So version 2.0 were released in version 2.0 is released in odd numbered year. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following version were released in an odd? See, XP 95, ME 2.0 and 2.0 and 95. Okay, see, XP and 95, just check XP and 95. See, XP 2001 and 95 95. Okay, this is right option. Then next one, see, ME 2.0, ME 2.0. See, ME even number ಇದೆ, so ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then next one, next one 2.0 and 95, 2.0 and 95. So 2.0 87 ಇದೆ, 95 95 ಇದೆ. Okay na? So 1 and 3 are the right answers. 1 and 3 are the right options. See, ಇದು ಕೂಡ odd year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ odd year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 and 3. Next question, 8 persons PQRS are taking a VRS in different years: 2000, 2005, 2006, 2009, 2011, 2013 and 2015, 2019. So but not necessarily in the same order. ಅಂದ್ರೆ PQRS same order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2002 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2019 ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ 2002, then 2005, 2006, 2009, 2011, 2013, 2015 and 2019. What is the first clue? P gets PRSM even number year. P even number year. Then only one person gets between P and B. P and B madhya only one person is present. The number of persons getting before B is same as after U. Okay na? See, before B ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, after U ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. R gets 4 years after T. See, years ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, not persons. So R get 4 years after T. So 4 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ T first ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then R ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then but both are getting after U. So sequence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. First one T, then R, then sorry. But both are getting after U. Sequence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First U ಬಂದ್ರೆ then T, then R. Not immediate, but first time ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ U ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then T ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then R. See, the number of persons getting between R and W is same as PQ. So RW is same as P and Q. S gets after Q. So first to S. S gets after Q. So Q first ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then S. Okay na? Just place ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. P even number. P ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ place ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. P and even number. See, P here, then only 2 places. Okay na? Then between P and V, one gap is there, one gap is there, one gap is there. Then before V is same as after U. See, before V 1 2, after V 2 places. Before V 1 2 3 4, after U kuda 1 2 3 4. Then T and R madhye namage 4 years gap irbeku. So T and R, see, T and R ತಗೋಬಹುದು 2015 and 19 4 years gap. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ T and R ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, then U comes before T and R. T ಮತ್ತೆ R ಮುಂಚೆ U ಬರಬೇಕು. So T R ಮುಂಚೆ U ಇದೆ, T R ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೂಡ U ಇದೆ. So ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Then RW is equal to PQ. Suppose W ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ R ಗೂ W ಗೂ 1 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. So Q ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. R ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So this is wrong possibility. Then first Q ಬಂದ್ರೆ next ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ S ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the right answer. Okay, questions ನೋಡಿ. How many persons getting VRS between Q and R? Q ಮತ್ತೆ R ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Between Q and R, 6 members. Okay, option A is the right answer. Next question. Number of persons getting P and Q is same as. So PQ is equal to so P and Q one gap ಇದೆ. So PQ is equal to ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? SP WU RT SP ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. WU ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? WU ಆಗಬಹುದು and RT ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? UV U and V ಕೂಡ adjacent ಇದೆ. So Q ಮತ್ತೆ P ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, W ಮತ್ತೆ U ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ 1 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. So option second is the right answer because 1 gap is there. Common gap is 1. Okay. Next question. Arrange the alphabetical order the given person's name. So how many persons remain same in their position? P Q R S ಅನ್ನು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು alphabetical order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಅಂದರೆ alphabetical order ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸಿಗೂ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗದೆ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ P ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ P ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ P ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಎಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ P ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q ಇದೆ, ಸೊ Q ಅಲ್ಲಿ S ಇದೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. R P S U T and V is not possible because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. Then U and W it's also not possible. Then V and T ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. W and R so nothing remains same. So option 4 is the right answer because see alphabetical order means new arrangement and old arrangement ಯಾವುದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So option 4 is the right answer. Okay, this is all about year based puzzles. So already we are completed with month based puzzles and day based puzzles and year based puzzles. Next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು floor based puzzles ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Thank you.